Hi everyone, my name is Vivian and we're at the Green Spoon Studio Kitchen and we'll be learning how to make a simple beef mince pizza today. The ingredients we're going to use are the pizza base, mozzarella cheese for the top, sweet corn, garlic, pizza sauce, ginger, red onions, beef mince, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, basil, ginger and salt. The spices are for the meat, and then we have sun-dried tomatoes. Boil your sweet corn until it's soft and bright yellow. If you're not too sure, you can always taste one. Next, you're going to mix the spices with the beef mince so that it gets a bit of flavor. Add your onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, sea salt, oregano, just a bit of basil. Then mix the mince and all the spices so that it's evenly distributed. Crush our garlic and ginger. The paste that we'll crush, we'll add it to the meat. I've used about 5 cloves of garlic and a small bulb of ginger. After smashing and crushing the garlic and ginger, we're going to add it to our meat to mix it again for the flavor. Next, we're going to mix the paste and the meat to become one. We're going to line the oven tray with some flour so that the pizza base doesn't stick. We're going to first put the pizza base and spray some oil. In case you don't have an oil spray bottle, you can just sprinkle the oil with your fingers. It gives the same effect. Once you've sprinkled, you can just use a spoon or a brush to spread it out on the base. Put the pizza sauce at the base on the crust. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can use blended tomatoes, tomato paste. It more or less gives you the same kind of base and tomatoey flavor. From there, we add our meat. It might be a bit sticky if you're using mince, so you need to break it into smaller pieces. Add your sweet corn. You can just sprinkle it all over, razzle dazzle. Add your red onions again, sprinkle them all over. Grate your mozzarella cheese or any cheese, really good cheddar on top. You can grate it on top, or if you're not comfortable, you can grate it on the side, then sprinkle the cheese on the top. So we'll preheat the oven to 250 degrees for 5 minutes. So we're going to slide our pizza into the oven. We're going to set the temperature to 25 degrees and the timer to 20 minutes because the meat is raw. Our pizza is ready after the 20 minutes are up. Just in case it isn't ready, once you're done, you can add it for 5 minutes and keep checking on it so that it doesn't get burnt. I have Leah from Green Spoon here with me who is going to taste the pizza today. Hopefully she likes it.
Good job.
Thanks.
Very tasty. Very yummy. Or rather, yummy is an understatement.
Thank you. And remember, you can get all these ingredients and more from the Green Spoon website and or app. Thank you for watching.